Hey guys, this is Eddie, and today we are going to show you the first trial production of X10 E-Scooter. So right behind me, this is a skateboard. We got a lot of skateboards of the X10 scooter. The first step of the production line is how we assembling the motors, which is called the tires on the scooters. Here is the first step. Okay, so we actually got two motors right behind me. So this is the real motors and this is the front motor. For X10 E-Scooter, we got dual motors. And the second step is to assembling the pole of the scooter. This is a part of the skateboard. On the third step, we're going to assemble the controller on the X10 scooters. The funny things of the X10 scooters compared to other scooters is that we actually assemble two controllers, one and two controllers on one scooters. So in case there's any problems of each of the controllers, it will still work after. And here is how to assemble the skateboard. On this step of the production, we actually already completed the whole assembling process. The skateboard, the motor, the fender, the pole, we actually complete the whole process of the assembling.